Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to blend images in Canva. So for this, we are here on Canva. Here in the left side, we have this upload section. Click on upload and upload the images that you want to blend. So firstly, I will choose this image here. Okay, now I want to flip this. So let's flip it and now resize it. Once the image is resized and fit in the frame, now choose the another image here. So I will add this image here. So again resize it and fit it in the frame. So once the image is adjusted, now you need to crop the extra boundaries of the image. So once you do this, now here in the element section, you need to search for white shadow and go to graphics, and there you will find different shadows. So you can choose the one which is a bit lighter. Okay, so we will go with this shadow here. Just adjust the size here in the frame. Copy this sticker and now flip horizontally. So it will give shadow to the left side too, like this, and adjust in the frame. As you can see, the line is created between two shadows. To cover this, we will add another shadow on it. So let's go with this one. Rotate it and place it on the middle of the shadows. And in this way, the line will be covered. Now copy it and place it on the top. Again copy it and place it in the bottom section. So as you can see, these two images are blended. In this way you can blend images on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching.